Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on delayed start of this device. Okay, so first of all we have to focus on this panel and we have to activate one of the programs. So for example, I'm gonna turn on like this one maybe, and to move it, right now we have to move to the right side and focus on these buttons and also take a look on this screen. So when I click right here on the plus, as you can see there's 1 hour delay. So if you want to select, for example, for the 5 hours, just click 5 times on this button. And right now when you press on the start, your selected program will turn on after the 5 hours. For sure you can turn it off by using the minus. And as you can see right now it's 0, so when you click on it right now, it will be turned on. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.